Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my humble home. Today I'm gonna share with you unboxing from Yoogi closet. I purchased recently a Chanel bag from Yoogi closet. It's actually my first purchase from Yoogi closet. Mostly when I was buying pre-loved items before I was truly loyal to Fashionphile. So this is the first time that I branched off of Fashionphile and went to Yoogi closet. And I'm gonna share with you my item. I'm gonna do unboxing, and then once again I'm gonna do my modeling shots, and I'm gonna do a little bit of story time why I purchased this specific bag. So please stay with me. So there you go. This is the huge box that it came in, and it took roughly about 5 business days for it to come. So that's how it looks like. It says Yoogi closet right there. And it's very neatly packed. The description says that it comes with dust bag, original box, and authenticity card, which is exactly what I want when I was buying Chanel items. So let's just see what's inside. Here is the, I'm assuming, receipt and information. So let's just open it. Yes, this is information about the purchase and return label. So once again, it's actually very great that they include the return label. So let's say, assuming if somebody doesn't like or finds that it's not what they were expecting with the item, so you can return it at no extra cost to you whatsoever. There is also extra package which includes some extra items. I'm gonna go over those items with you, and it's some kind of like pouch, almost like a cosmetic pouch, etc. So in this little pouch, what they include, so authenticity card, which is great. Oh, there is actually even original price tag. Absolutely fantastic. There is even Chanel ribbons. Great. There is even felt that originally comes with that specific bag. Wow, I didn't even expect this. Fantastic. And once again, it says over here that they authenticate this specific bag, and this is authentic Chanel bag. So that's what in this little pouch, what comes extra with the bag. So far I'm very happy and very impressed. So here is the bag. Let me just push everything away. It comes with the Chanel dust bag, and actually on this Chanel dust bag also even the tags that it's specifically for this item. Wow, this is actually the first time I saw something like that. And here is the item. Wow. Okay. So this is my Chanel Trapezio quilted sheepskin flat bag. Wow. very happy. So let's just see in details what's how it looks like. Obviously I'm gonna come closer to the camera and show you how this bag look like. Once again, there is a tag. It says if I'm gonna remove it, the bag is mine. So if I decided to return it, I should not cut that tag off. Looking very good, feels also very good. This is the size that I was hoping that is kind of gonna look like. Very happy. Let's just quickly go over the dimensions of this bag. The length 9.8 inches, the height 6.5 inches, and the depth 4 and 3/4. Very generous size for the small bag, because once again, when they come to the market in year 2016, they had 3 sizes. They had mini, they had small, and they had large. So there was at least to my little knowledge, there was a mini, small and large, and that was specifically the bags that I really wanted. What I like also about these bags, that it's made of sheepskin, so it's a little bit less cruelty-less, you know, a little bit less cruel to the animals, and it's very durable. The quilting is very puffy. You can see that there is a structure, but it's kind of like almost like a puffy structure. Love every single details about this bag. Look forward using it many years to come. So let's just come closer. I'm gonna show you a little bit closer how it looks like. It's kind of they call it navy blue. I would say that's exactly correct color. That's how it looks on the side. The other side right there, and that's the back. The top handle is removable. You can remove it, and it's slightly adjustable, so there is extra holes that you can adjust, a little bit shorter or longer. I wouldn't say by much, but you can adjust it. Okay, and the top handle, which is not removable, and if you remove the long strap, so it pretty much becomes like, you know, very cute handle, even I would say quite dressy, though I think this bag is more on the casual, and that's the exact reason why I purchased it. I want to have really casual Chanel bag, and specifically I want it in the blue, because if you watched some of my latest videos, you can see that lately I'm really into the blue. I have lots of blue items. I have Louis Vuitton Palace bag, once again with the blue inserts of the leather. I really into the blues right now. On top of everything, I went to Chanel just the last week, and looks like they have lots of blue bags. So it looks like I'm almost on trend with this pre-loved item. So this item originally was in pre-fall 2016, and I was looking at this bag at the store, and you know, not certain if I want to buy it or not. And then obviously when I was ready to buy, it's no longer available. So then I was trying to search on pre-loved market. It comes once again Yoogi closet, but it came so quickly and sold so quickly, it didn't give me even chance or opportunity to think about it. And then I was almost like, you know, nagging myself, not being more proactive, like, you know, not purchasing right away. Anyway, then I was trying to almost substitute this bag with Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. And I'm gonna actually insert that video, because Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis I exactly got in blue color. I wanted almost like substitute this bag with the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. It didn't work out for me, but anyway, I'm gonna insert that video for you guys to watch why that Pochette Métis didn't work out for me. And when I saw once again that it's pop up at Yoogi Closet, I just put it in my cart and, you know, purchase it right away. No hesitation whatsoever. And I hope I'm never gonna resell this bag. Never say never, but I'm truly hoping for it. So let's just see what's inside and why I want it. Because as I said, it's kind of almost looking like Pochette Métis in one way inside. So let me just show for you guys. So when you open it up, it has 3 compartments, and it's gorgeous burgundy interior. There is an open front compartment, open back compartment, and then there is also extra zipped pocket at the back. Right there, you can see there is an extra zip pocket at the back. And then there is a middle compartment that you can unzip, and it's very generous middle compartment. That's how it looks like. Lots of organization in this bag, and as I said, that's my main reason I wanted almost have the same purpose of use as Pochette Métis, and I really want it in the blue color. So I got pretty much everything that I wanted. This bag made in Italy, listed as a like new, and let me tell you, that's exactly what it is. it looks absolutely brand new. The only one things I could say that this bag was used before. I can see that it was previously been sized up for a little different hole over there. Somebody preferred it a little bit shorter. That's the only indication that it was used before. Inside interior absolutely clean. So I love everything about this bag. So what do you think? Do you like it? I look forward using this item, I would say, all year around, because I would say 100% it's you know, all seasons, no problem to use it in summer, spring, winter, fall, you name it. So I'm very happy with the purchase. If you have any questions specifically for the purchase from Yoogi Closet, please write it down. I will gladly answer your questions. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate your feedback, your communication. I hope to see you again on my channel. If you like this kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe. It would be really pleasure for me to continue communicate with you guys. And I hope to see you again. Bye bye.